Okay, so my orders are here. फिर इसको निकालना कैसे? Let me figure it out. Okay. Hey everyone, what's up? This is Latika and welcome to a new video. Okay, so for today's video, guys, it's basically a fashion finds video. That is not going to be a better time to shop for hidden fashion gems, and that too on crazy offers, because we have the Amazon Mega Fashion Days sale going on. And I wanted to make this video to share कि मैंने क्या-क्या shopping करी है from Amazon Fashion, because honestly I have got some amazing pieces at like great prices, and I'm very soon leaving for my summer tropical vacation as well. So जो बहुत सारे pieces है वो वहाँ पे भी काम आने वाले हैं. So I have gone full into my summer shopping and I thought कि shopping करनी ही है, so I'll shop from the sale which is from 5th to 9th July, and you're getting products up to 70% off. Okay, I think we are kickstarting things off very simple but very essential. So this is from the brand only, and मैं क्या करूँगी कि I will put all the product links in the description, because prices will keep fluctuating. Like you have massive discounts, but exact prices के लिए you can just directly click the link in the description and check it out for yourself. So this is the first product that I got. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे प्राइस में मुझे ये टॉप मिला है, and duo tone टॉप है, only का है, and it's of a rib material, so I love how that feels as well. ये एक और कलर ऑप्शन में भी था, but I am personally loving the lime and the purple. Like it screams summer to me. It's more like of a pastel vibe, but I am loving how this is looking. And honestly बहुत ज़्यादा comfy material है, which is very essential. Of course, only is a brand that I trust and love in that sense. Talking about summer, one thing that is straight away transporting me to the vacation of my dreams, and I can't wait to style this. This is what it looks like. पूरा जूट में है ये, and of course hint is कि I'm going for a beach holiday, and this is what the bag looks like, guys. तो पूरा red color में I went for, because I wanted it to be very vibrant, and this on the market will cost you so much at like retail stores and brands, but on Amazon I could find it for like under 800-700 in that price range, and I love how it looks. Tie up है इसमें यहाँ पे, and zip enclosure इसमें नहीं है, but it's a nice tote bag, so it will fit most clothes and everything. The perfect like beach bag I think, and ये cute सा यहाँ पे इसको tie कर देते हैं, because you can just like make a knot out of this. This is what it will look like. Now, since we're talking about summer fashion, of course, one thing which is like an essential in all of our closets is a nice ethnic suit set. I've gone for something from the casual category, bags, jewelry. I'm going to be sharing it all, because बहुत time लगा के मैंने ढूंढ के like top rated and अच्छे वाले products I've sort of selected to share with you guys. So this is of course the next suit set. It's a two-piece set, and ये pink color में है. It's nice and bright and has like lots and lots of embellishments going on here, and oh my god, this also, like, I saved so much money on this. But this is what it looks like. Loving the front. I think it's very cute. I love the little lace designs, and also I like कि it is balanced by like a simple print on the bottom. Like all over ये print नहीं है. Bottom पे you have this normal white block print going on, and for the bottom you have again a white block print on this pink fabric. एक चीज़ of course जो बहुत ज़्यादा important है when you're shopping for this upcoming season, because it's monsoon, it's summers, so the material needs to be super duper comfortable, and I love like comfy ethnic suit sets, because you can wear them all day long and they obviously like always look good and make a statement. So this is what it looks like. Straight pants है ये, simple सी, but I think that this is going to be so pretty. The next thing, I am super duper excited for this brand. Oh my god, I absolutely love this. I think this is very cute. Two piece है ये, मुझे लगा एक ही है, but I basically am obsessed with ear cuffs. Like I am in my ear cuffs phase, and I found this one. Let me show you a close up. So I found this one. इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है सख्तबंदी, which I thought was very quirky and very funny, and it's completely in silver. I am obsessing over ear cuffs these days. Like they look so cool, and this one is like a statement for sure. Ethnic suit के साथ I think ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा जाएगा, and they've actually sent like इसका दूसरी side का also. I usually leave it blank, but जो same sort of बना हुआ है design on this one, ये वाला उन्होंने इसमें भी they've sent a smaller one. Okay, you're gonna find tons of jewelry options in this video, but you know accessories make so much of a difference. मतलब lately I've been styling so many of my same clothes इतने ज़्यादा different तरीकों से just by changing up the accessories. So accessories are something in which also I don't mind investing because I know like मेरी jewelry, मेरी rings 3-4 साल की वो अभी तक चल रही है. So I went for a ring stack. Like every once in 2 months I think I go for a new ring stack and then my rings collection just keeps on growing because ये ना थोड़ी सी different है. So this is more in the aesthetic of Y2K कहते हैं apparently इसे. Like it's more modern, it's of course a little bit of tropical. So let me show you. This is the first one, butterfly वाला, and oh my god, it's like a butterfly stone and इसमें sequin भी है. And then this is the second one, तो ये एकदम थोड़ा सा bold है and इस पे flowers बने हुए हैं. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is in like a studded sequin embellishment. You have one that says angel, so you know you get the aesthetic like very Gen Z, very Y2K basically. एक है इस पे star बना हुआ है, flower बना हुआ है. I think this is very very cute. It's gonna be my favorite with a little flower. Guys, I think ये वाला vacation wardrobe मेरा एकदम sorted है. A cute सा jewelry piece addition to my vacation wardrobe is, ये मैंने थोड़ा सा experimental है ये, but I basically went for a waist chain. Okay, this is what it looks like. I've recently gotten into this phase where I'm like, let's experiment. तो casual wear के साथ, because I wanted to keep it again vacation vibes. Silver is the color I went for, and this one has like butterfly attachments going on. So बड़ा cute सा ऐसे butterfly, you know, droppings होगी. And I think this is gonna look so great. Like it's such a simple twist to any of your simple outfits, and you know it can just automatically elevate any. This is the next tee from Levi's. Now again, Levi's has discounts at very limited times, so Amazon pay you can go ahead and purchase these brands at, you know, discounts. This is what the tee looks like. So it's a very very simple tee, but the quality of you know Levi's is always top notch. So I didn't even think twice because मुझे बहुत अच्छे price पे मिल रहा था ये, and it's in a beautiful lilac color जो कि I think color of this like year होने वाला है. This is what it looks like. It has a simple white Levi's text. Again in this category you had different options as well, so you guys can explore that if you have a different style. But I think a round neck basic short sleeve tee is like an essential in any closet. Okay, I also grabbed myself a cute little handbag and I think I am obsessed. बहुत ही ज़्यादा budget fine था ये, around 500 का था. Exact price again guys, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check out the exact price. But are you ready for this? This is what it looks like. It's so cute. Full tropical print में है ये and बड़ा मतलब canvasy vibe दे रहा है. Like these are two different materials and I love the color. Baby blue surrounding me and then you have this print in like a neutral and green. This strap looks like this. Of course adjustable है so you can wear it accordingly. And main था कि इसका size ना, it's not very small, it's not very big either. It's like a nice crossbody size which will fit most of your stuff. Like मुझे ये traveling में and like day to day में बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि it has to be the right size. There is one zipper pocket right here, so that is good. And then you just have this. Guys, how cute is this? The next piece, guys, मेरी ना मतलब पहले मतलब obviously my jewelry collection was there, but these days as I've said I am going into like statement pieces. This is the next ear cuff I've gone for. So this is in a completely different vibe. Full gold metallic में है ये and ऊपर इसके यहाँ पे butterfly है and then you also have it like this. Very edgy, like a very statement piece, and ear cuffs are also very much in trend, so this will literally amp up like any of your party outfits. Next thing, it's a cute little bucket hat. So again, if you're looking for summer accessories, fashion accessories, and in fact the accessories वगैरह होती है ना, like if you don't have anything specific that you need, then I always go for sale shopping because उसमें मुझे जो अच्छा मिलता रहता है हर category से, which you know मेरे पास नहीं है. I purchase that during the sale period itself because I know कि वो मुझे बाद में all year round काम आ जाएगा, rather than you know buying it when I need it and not getting it at a good price. So this is a cute little bucket hat. Guys, मेरे को bucket hat like of course इसके साथ match नहीं कर रहा है, but I've recently gotten into them, so I'm curious as to how this will work out and how this will look on me. It has a cute little sunflower as well on this, and we're ending with the piece from this brand. Yeah, इसी से you had the statement silver ear cuff as well. And for the last and a final piece of this haul, it is basically this 2-layered ring. So this is what it looks like. ऐसे दोनों fingers पे चली जाती है and बहुत ज़्यादा pretty लगती है. Again, if you're wearing like a simple kurti and you just add this one little detail, like पूरा outfit change up हो जाता है. So this is what it's looking like. I'm loving the quality. ऐसा कुछ लग रहा है. It has a nice round like embellishments and detailing going on. And with this guys, this was my Amazon fashion finds. You again a reminder कि Amazon की mega fashion day sale है from the 5th July to the 9th of July only, and you are getting your favorite fashion and even beauty brands at up to 70% off. सारे links description में होंगे. Otherwise feel free to browse the sale itself as well. Hope you liked today's video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment down below which one was your favorite product, and I will see you very very soon with my next video. Bye guys, take care.
Baby, all I need one more chance. Oh, baby, let me show you. I need one more chance. Oh, baby, all I need one more chance. Oh, baby, let me show you. I need one more chance. Oh.